Need help with the sex-linked traits, Punnett squares? Let's go ahead and take care of that. All right, so what do we got here? We got some flies. Red eyes is dominant. White eyes is recessive. So what are we going to cross here? Okay, we're going to have a white-eyed male. First, to show that he's a male, it's a guy, I'm going to give him his XY. Boom. Now you know it's a male. It's not a female. And he's got white eyes. So since he's a male, he's going to have a little allele on his X and nothing on the Y. And then the mom fly, first I'm going to show it's a female by giving her XX. Notice how I leave some space. So I'm going to put an allele in here. I want to get normal red-eyed female, homozygous. So she's going to have two big R's. So big R right here, big R right there. All right, there's the genotype of the parents, the dad, the mom. And then it's just like a regular Punnett square. I'll put the mom on top. X, it's way too big. X big R. It's hard to draw it. Another X big R. Since these are the same, I can cross this box out. And the male fly is X little r, Y nothing. And I just fill it in. I'm going to type it. It's a lot easier. So it's X big R, X little r. And this male fly is going to be X big R, Y. All right, so these all the baby flies are going to have red eyes. The females, because they have one dominant allele, and all the males, they all have red eyes. All right, color blindness. All right, show a colorblind man. So let's show it's a man, XY. Boom. He's colorblind, so he's got the little recessive allele, nothing on the Y. And what about the mom? Woman with normal vision, but her father was colorblind. All right, first let's show it's a female, XX. All right, she has normal vision, so she has one big N, but her dad was colorblind, so her other allele has to be the colorblind allele, because that's what she got from her dad. All right, so we got the genotype of the parents. So I'll put mom on top again. X big N, X little n. And the dad on the side, he's colorblind, so he's got an X little n. And he's got a Y nothing. I can't cross these out because these are different. I can't cross these out. All right, so this one's going to be a female. X big N from the top. X little n from dad. So she's not colorblind because she has one dominant allele. This female over here will be colorblind because she got the colorblind allele from dad and got the mom's colorblind allele, so she's colorblind. This will be a normal male. X big N, Y nothing. And here's a colorblind male. X little n, Y. Boom. And if you don't have to do this because the answer to this is in the box, so you don't have to write it again. All right, two normal vision parents have a colorblind son. All right, so they both have normal vision. So let's start with the mom. All right, X. She's normal, so we know she has a big N. Now her son is going to be colorblind. So the only way her son can be colorblind is she has to have a recessive allele, because that's what she's going to give to her son. So she's normal vision, but she does carry the colorblind allele. And the dad is totally normal, so he's X big N, Y, nothing on the Y. And I'll put the mom on top. X big N, normal allele. X little n, colorblind allele. Dad over here, X, fix it. X big N, Y, nothing. Boom. All right, there we go. This is going to be a totally normal female with two normal alleles. This is also normal, this female. She's not colorblind, but she does have the colorblind allele that she can give to her kids. And then here's the son, X, big N, Y. And this is how this son right here, it said they have a colorblind son. Well, this is how we knew that this one had to be little, because this son got the colorblind allele from mom and just the Y from dad. So the mom had to be a carrier to have a son that's colorblind. Number 4, hemophilia. That's where you start bleeding and you can't stop bleeding. It's recessive, so you need to have, females need 2 little b's to be a hemophiliac. Males just need 1. So what are we going to cross here? A hemophiliac woman, very, very rare. So first let's show it's a woman, big X, big X. Hemophiliac, she's gonna have two little B's. Little B, little B. And what does she marry? She marries a normal man. All right, so let's show he's a man first. Give him XY. And he's normal, so he's gonna have a big B. Boop. All right, I'll put mom on top. She's X little b, X little b. Since these are both X little b's, we can cross one out. And I'll go ahead and cross this one out. And on the side, we'll put the dad. He's got X big B. My hand is getting tired of using this mouse, being so precise. All right, there we go. And a Y. All right, so there's the parents. There's just fill in the box. Two X's. Big B. Little b, that's a female. Does not have hemophilia. Now this son will have hemophilia. From mom, he's going to get the little b allele. From dad, just the Y. All right, so my hand is really tired, so I'm going to stop. If you finish this, you definitely don't have to do 7. It's kind of hard. You can do it. I'll give you extra credit. So if you do 5, 6, and 7, I'll give you extra credit. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.